Hello trees, today I'll go to Biei bus tour, and then the day I took a video with my phone, so it was really loud with the wind and the other tourists, so that's why I record with my phone again.
자, 그래서 저희 지금부터 1시간 5분 정도 이동을 할 겁니다. 그래서
Here is Pantomita with the lavender field, even though it wasn't blooming yet, but with the lavender ice cream and pink lavender, and I saw cute uniforms. The second place called Blue Pond. The watercolor was crazy, even though the weather was rainy, but it looks insane. This is far near the lake. This valley is right next to the pond, so the watercolor is similar, and then look at the falls, it looks good, and then I'm so happy I can see like the nature without car. This color is insane. Wow, so clean. I can see the rocks really clearly. Wow. Just arrived at Biei station for lunch. I have just 1 hour, so it doesn't much time actually, so I need to hurry. The buildings are really cute, and then Hokkaido roofs looks like a triangle because of the snow, so it looks cute. Originally I wanted to eat kaisennok, but the guide said that this ramen store shows up Michelin like 2016, so I wonder how much it's delicious, so I'm going to there, but it's a little bit far. Here is popular with the tamtamen, so I ordered tamtamen and beer, and then I didn't know that like the bottles will come to me. It's so good. Wow. Looks so good. This place called Shikisai no Oka, that means hills. So even though flowers not blooming yet, but I can see the hills, and then the color and shape was so peaceful and then beautiful. used to be for real. So peaceful. And then this way for walk the forest. I like it. I really like nature. So I think maybe this is best part today. So fresh. Phone camera is too close.
Cried myself to sleep that night. I haven't wrapped my head around it. Maybe I should think about hands on my sides. My shirt lost to wine. When I turned around and said, I can't believe you like me. When I turned around and said,
Peaceful.
I can't believe you like me better than the rest. When I turned around and said, I can't believe you like me better than the rest.
여러분들 믿기 때문에 역시 확인을 하지 않고 이동해 보도록 하겠습니다. 자, 이것은 저희 오늘 마지막 장소인 네, 이제 진짜로 이동해 보도록 하겠습니다. 이제부터 쉬는 시간 갖도록 하겠습니다.
Turns out kissing someone older doesn't mean there's gonna be.
How's this road again? My guide recommend this curry, so I'll go there. I will try. Let's go. I was just choose with the photos, but now I found the Korean. It's amazing, and then of course it here has English too. It was first time to drink lemon sour in my life, and then first time I thought it was okay, and then look at that. That looks good. Today I ordered lemon curry, and then with the coconut sauce. I was so full, so I just ordered 2 of yakitori for just drink sake. So, and then I didn't know that, but Hokkaido is popular with the melon, so the melon was just free for it. So it was really good and sweet.